This is a what's in the box video for Toryes. This is, I think, a 2 to 4 player game, which involves dice. So let's take a look. We have a bunch of tokens to punch out, instructions in various languages, the board for the game. Let's see what's which I will say is not the best quality board, because I'm getting used to these like premium Kickstarter boards now. All the dice, all the meeples and tokens, bags for putting them in, and the cards. So there you have it. That is what's in the box for Toryes. If you enjoyed this video, please take a look at our other videos and please subscribe.